Parrikar presenting the Goa budget. Remember, the Congress has been mocking the health of the Goa Chief Minister, but BJP has now tweeted this video of the Chief Minister presenting the budget on the floor of the House, and it says that he is doing so with full josh and hosh. So the BJP hitting back. Remember, the Congress party has made a huge hue and cry over the health of Manohar Parrikar. Not so long ago, Goa Congress had mounted a campaign that they want a different chief minister. Since recuperating, Manohar Parrikar has been active, and now you can see those visuals of him presenting the budget as well. Let's go across to my colleague Dinesh Maurya for more details. And Dinesh, before you begin, I just want to remind our viewers that Rahul Gandhi, the Congress president, even as we speak, is politicizing his visit with Manohar Parrikar, and he's been doing so with the meetings with the former defense minister for many months now. Is it not really in bad taste? Because first they released that tape that nobody could really authenticate, and then Rahul Gandhi faced that embarrassment in Parliament as well, and now Rahul Gandhi continues to politicize his meeting with Manohar Parrikar. Dinesh, I want to come to you. Take us through what we can see in these visuals.
देखिए, आज बजट पेश हो रहा था और खुद जिस तरह से उनकी तबीयत नहीं खराब है और लगातार इन्हें हटाने की मांग कांग्रेस की तरफ से की जा रही थी, लेकिन इस दृश्य के जरिए बीजेपी ने दिखाने की कोशिश की कि तमाम कांग्रेस के जो आरोप है वो झूठे, बेबुनियाद है। पर्रिकर की भले ही तबीयत थोड़ी नासाज हो, लेकिन अब भी पूरी तरह से फिट और जोश उन्होंने कहा है, जोश दिखाने की कोशिश जो है इस वीडियो के जरिए, साथ में ये भी बताने की कोशिश की है कि मनोहर पर्रिकर जो एक योद्धा है, भले ही उनकी तबीयत थोड़ी सी खराब हो, लेकिन जहां जनता की बात आती है, राज्य चलाने की बात आती है, लोगों की बात आती है, तब वो जो है वो उनके साथ खड़े रहेंगे और इस हालत में भी वो जो है जनता के लिए खड़े हैं, मौजूद। और आज अहम बजट राज्य के लिए पेश किया जाना है, ऐसे में यहाँ पर जो वो न सिर्फ आते हैं बल्कि सदन के भीतर बजट पेश करते हैं, तो एक मिसाल पेश करने की कोशिश जो है वो दिखाई गई और साथ ही में कांग्रेस को एक जवाब जो है बीजेपी की तरफ से देने की कोशिश की कि वो इस तरह के झूठे अनर्गल आरोप न लगाए। मनोहर पर्रिकर जो है फिट है पूरी तरह से। बैक टू यू।
Not just that, Dinesh, while I thank you, they've also been politicizing Rahul Gandhi's courtesy visit with the former defense minister. But talking of Manohar Parrikar's, taking active role as the Goa chief minister, a few days ago, his video asking people, how's the Josh, had also gone viral. And now BJP releasing this video saying he's presenting the budget with full Josh and hosh. Thanks a lot for the meantime.
Sir, both Goa and Goikar Punts have given me a lot. Love, affection, praise, honor, and of course the countless blessings. And today, once again, I promise that I will serve Goa with sincerity, integrity, dedication until my last breath. Sir, present circumstances have prevented me from delivering a detailed budget speech, but there is a josh that is too high, very high, and I am in hosh, fully in hosh. Sir, both Goa and Goikar Punts have given me a lot. Love, affection, praise, honor, and of course the countless blessings. And today, once again, I promise that I will serve Goa with sincerity, integrity, dedication until my last breath.